Hi, everyone. Beth, thank you so much for having me here. It was a real pleasure to be part of CTO. Our company, Renew CO2, enables other chemical companies to reuse their CO2 to make more products. So at the core of the technology is our innovation of catalysts that can convert CO2 with high energy efficiency. And that means that these companies can use CO2 in a very cost competitive way with the petrochemical processes to generate more revenue and not emit CO2 as they usually would, which enables them to meet targets for carbon neutrality that they all have pledged to meet by 2050. So what was really interesting about being part of CTO is that, as Beth was explaining, we were paired with mentors that were both very in our field and also not at all related to the chemical industry. And we had lots of assignments that were deliverables that were very different. And the mentors got a detailed look at every one of them. So we got to understand through their feedback how people in our field understood the way that we were thinking about the business, and other people that didn't really understand the field in a lot of depth, what they were hearing when we were saying the words we were saying. And that was super important to give us clarity on how we talk about this. And it really changed our business plan completely. Another thing that was really interesting is that the way we pitched was completely different at the end of the process. And when we pitched at the final event, we got connections. We got a lot of calls from investors, from potential customers, and a lot of those discussions that started at the end of CTO continue. So we still are in touch with mentors, and we're moving to a new lab. We got our first employee. We're working together with Argo National Lab, continuing to retire some of the technical risks. And we see that the startup is growing and our dream is growing. We're getting closer to a product that we can sell.